बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब्स इन्फो इन पाकिस्तान। जी आज की वीडियो हमने बनाई है इस पे कि जैसे हमने कल एक सीक्वेंस में वीडियो बनाई थी ज़िलेदार के पेपर की जो कि मॉर्निंग में थी। आज हम ज़िलेदार के पेपर को डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि इवनिंग में, ताकि जिनका पेपर इवनिंग में था उनको की बनाने में आसानी हो जाए। अब हम इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे। जी, हम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान लियाकत अली खान, थर्ड हाईएस्ट माउंटेन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज माउंट चुंगा। कार मूव विद द स्पीड ऑफ 55 किलोमीटर पर आवर, व्हाट डिस्टेंस कैन बी कंप्लीटेड इन 12 मिनट्स 11 किलोमीटर। मैं आपको इसके आंसर साथ साथ बताती जा रही हूँ। आपको नजर भी आ रहा होगा, वो बोल्ड में लिखे हुए हैं। A circle has how many tangents? Infinite. A sum of 2,500 amount to rates 15,500 in 4 years at simple rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? 6%. अदबी रिसाला बुनियाद published from which university? लम्स। ऐसी सनद जिसमें किसी एक लफ्ज के हवाले से उससे मुतालिक या मुनासबत रखने वाले दीगर अल्फाज का कलाम में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, सनद मरातुन नज़ीर कहलाते हैं। अली बाबा कंपनी फाउंड इन 1999। ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम स्टूडेंट्स फेडरेशन वाज फाउंड इन विच सिटी? अलीगढ़। एनालॉगी स्टबर्न, obstinate, gloomy, morose. Another name term used for digital marketing, online web, all of these. Antonym of distilled, polluted. Antonym of facilitate, impede. Bar फरोख्तगी means पेश गुस्सा. Bina had just got moved. Bina had just go home when I phoned. She had been at mother's home. Unquoted means man मनगढ़ंत. Baftan means all of sudden. Disease due to deficiency of vitamin D is rickets. Dr. Raut Puff died in 2017. Driest desert of the world is Atacama Desert. Either of these two roads dash to post office leads to post office. Excel to HTML changed by Internet Assistant Wizard. Faisal Mask completed in 1986. Fastest growing plant is bamboo. Find AB area if A is 4 and minus 1 and B is 6 and minus 5. Answer not found. First civil Hindu judge was Suman Wadani. First Finance Minister of Pakistan, Ghulam Muhammad. Goiter disease is due to deficiency of iodine. Gravity law given by Isaac Newton. Group of web pages which are linked called website. Hazrat Muhammad arranged education for whom due to his intelligent level. Hazrat Hafsa Razillallah Anha. How many namaz how many namaz imamat done by Hazrat Abu Bakr during Holy Prophet life? 17. How many times Qaid Azam visited India after independence? 0. I gave her all money dash I had that I had. Ibn Battuta belongs to which country? Morocco. If Akbar has $12, he spent 8.4, then what left? $3.6. If x minus 3 greater than 10, then the value of x would be 8. If x plus y is equal to 6 and 4x minus y is equal to 4, then find the value of x is 2. In 1764, War of Buxar, who, who led British Army Mon- Monroe. In February 2025, G20 summit theme was climate resi- resilient. इन ग़ज़वा ओहद आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने किस को पुकार कर तीर चलाने का कहा? साद बिन अबी वक़ास रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु। In which tenure Ghulam Ishaq Khan remained as chairman Senate 1985 to 1988. Jade Bhima means रास्ता चलाने वाला. Kargil war ended by which declaration? Washington Agreement. Lesser Himalaya average height 1800 to 4600. Lordesis means hollow back. Louvre is a France. Louvre is a museum in France. Morocco in MS word used for to automatic repetitive tasks. Main and larger locomotor- locomotory structure of bacteria flagellia. Marsupial are which type of animal's pouch? Mount Etna is present in which country? Italy. Mushrooms belongs to which family? Fungi family. ना नो मन तेल होगा ना राधा नाचेगी मीन्स ना शरारत पूरी होगी ना काम होगा. Narration. The speaker said, ladies and gentlemen, I thank for your timely help. The correct one is the speaker thanked the ladies and gentlemen for their timely help. Nawab Amir Khan of Talabag remained governor in era of Ayub Khan. Nawaz Sharif remained prime minister for how many times? Three times. Next number in the series 9, 6, 9, 18, 45, 126, 369 is the answer. Next number, objective of women-based organization, Yaman, to train women fight against terror and extremism. Our dog is of a very good breed. It is offspring of two very champion dogs and inherited their features. Pakistan name was given by Chaudhry Rehmat Ali. Pakistan Olympics Association headquarter Lahore. Pakistan purchased Gwadar from Oman. पांच पांच उंगलियां पांचों चिराग यानी बहुत लाइक होना. Petronas Twin Tower is in Kuala Lumpur. Real name of Abu Jahl was Umar bin Hasham. Recently, which country became republic by removing monarch Barbados? Referees has called off the match due to the rain. रोटी वोटी गलत मलत में दूसरे लफ्ज को क्या कहते हैं? मेमल. सब Scribe Hotel is owned by which country? Pakistan. Servers are computer which provide source of computer connected to a network. She dash waiting for you at 7 p.m. on next Sunday. She will be waiting for you at 7 p.m. on next Sunday. Sit on the fence means to remain undecided. Stamp for letters of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in custody of Hazrat Hanzala Razilana. State Bank of Pakistan Art Gallery and Museum was inaugurated 1st July 2011. Sudanese civil war in against Rapid Support Forces. Tashkent Agreement 1956. Who signed it from India side? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Tenure of Qais Khilafat 30 years. The dash, the photogrammetry is the surveying technique that used photographs to make measurements and create maps and 3D models. The resistance in any object which cause motion in rest of uniform motion motive is interior inertia. US has how many states? 50. Activize. I can write a book on grammar. Passivize. A book on grammar can be written by me. Wakarul Mulk become dash of Aligarh College. Wakarul Mulk become secretary of Aligarh College. When NWFP was separated by British as a separate province, 1901, which company declared to establish quantum research lab in 2025? NVIDIA. Which country won most medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020? USA. Which element is liquid at room temperature? Bromine. Which international organization works on maximum climate changes in 2025? UNO. Which is used to modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs is verb. Which one is type of information technology? AI, cloud computing, zero knowledge proof. All of these. Which private company launched first private space mission? SpaceX. Which sector attracts foreigners investor to invest in Pakistan? Mineral. Which word is correct? Benil Maharam. Who cared the Kaaba in era of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Hazrat Umar Usman bin Talha Razila Anha, who led the Shimla deputation in 1906? Sir Aga Khan, who secured who scored most goals in hockey? Suhail Abbas, who was born in 4 Hijri? Imam Hussain Razila. तो वो वर्ड जो हकीकी मीनिंग से बजाय मिजाजी मीनिंग में बताए और उनमें तस्वीर के अलावा ताल्लुक हो, मजाज मरसल कहलाता है. वर्ल्ड बैंक इशूड द वर्ल्ड ग्रोथ रेट फॉर 2025 to 2026 will be 2.7. याक शुद्ध यक शुद्ध नदो शुद्ध मीन्स एक मुसीबत के साथ दूसरी मुसीबत. तो ये थे वो 100 क्वेश्चन जो इवनिंग के पेपर में आए थे. उनके आंसर्स भी मैंने आपको बता दिए ताकि आपको की बनाने में मुश्किल ना हो. ये आज की वीडियो में सारी कंक्लूजन आपकी हो जाएगी मॉर्निंग इवनिंग दोनों के पेपर्स की, और आप अपनी कीज़ को इजीली डिफाइन कर सकेंगे, अपने नंबर्स की कैलकुलेशन कर सकेंगे. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें. इसके साथ मैं इजाज़त लूँगी. शुक्रिया. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.